Sweden was built on premium quality snus, they say. And here's the man who created it, Mr. Ljunglöf. His recipe for etan is still in use today, and some 2 grams of tobacco seeds in carefully selected soil will produce a full football pitch of tobacco. The farmers, chosen worldwide, will cultivate the special tobacco needed for Swedish snus. The plants will grow for 6 weeks and dry for just as long. So far, everything you've seen matches some of the toughest requirements there are. Our requirements. When the tobacco arrives, we grind it. Fine, medium, or coarse. Then we heat it up, much like pasteurization. Apart from tobacco, there's only salt, water, and ingredients approved in foodstuff. Every step, the finished product, the moistness, the taste, everything is controlled. And it finally becomes Swedish snus. Perfected according to the Gothia Tech standard, using the skills we have developed over the past 200 years.